Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making one of my very favourite sweet treats. These are lovely when you want something sweet in a hurry. And what's more is you can't go wrong. They're so easy to make. Now it's best to whisk up the egg white first, so you've got it there ready to pop straight in. Then you want to get yourself a big bowl, pop in the coconut and the condensed milk. I do this on a scales. There's a scales underneath that bowl, so it's much easier to pour things like condensed milk and to weigh them at the same time. Let's give that a little bit of vanilla extract. Always nice to flavour it with. And then just mix the whole thing together. When all the coconut is nice and soaked with the condensed milk, in goes the egg white. Fold that in gently, so it's incorporated but you haven't flattened the egg whites. Then, using an ice cream scoop, just put dollops of the mixture onto some baking paper. Then that's it. They're all ready for the oven. Let's leave them on the baking tray for a few minutes to set, and then they're ready for the chocolate. Tempered chocolate is best for this, and I find the easiest way to pop it onto each one is to use a pastry brush. A couple of dollops should do, and then straight onto the baking paper. These will need to go into the fridge so the chocolate can have a chance to set. Now how easy was that? Thanks ever so much for watching today. Always great to have you along. Have a fab week and I'll catch you soon.